Hi everyone, welcome back to 8th standard maths class. In this video we are going to learn a new chapter. Chapter 7, ratio. So ratio means it's a very important concept of mathematics. It means the relation between two quantities. Okay, relation between two quantities in a particular measurement. That is ratio. For example, suppose we are going to create 2 glass of lemon juice. Okay, 2 glass lemon juice we are going to create. Okay, now in this 2 glass lemon juice, what all things we will use? Lemon we will use. Okay, lemon. Then 2 glass water. Okay, now here for making 2 glass lemon juice, suppose we are using 1 lemon. Okay, suppose we are using 1 lemon, then the ratio will be 1:2. Okay, for making 2 glass lemon juice, 2 glass water and 1 lemon. Okay, 2 glass water we need, and lemon also we need to make 2 glass lemon juice. So for 2 glass water, if we are using 1 lemon, the ratio will be 1:2. Suppose we have to make 4 glass lemon juice. Suppose instead of this 2, suppose we have to make 4 glass lemon juice. That means this 2 comes 4 here. Okay, then according to our ratio, how many lemon we need to make this 4 glass water? For 2 glass water, only 1 lemon. So 4 glass means it is double. Okay, it is double. That means here also it will be 2. Okay, 2 into 2, 4. 4, it is double means the lemon also you have to take as double. So 2:4. By using this, we can make anything by using ratio. It's a very important concept of mathematics. Okay, for all thing one ratio will be there, one particular ratio will be there. So first subheading, let's learn. Okay, how to solve. This is a simple for ratio. Okay, this is a simple. This will read as 1:2. This will read as 2:4. Okay, this is a simple of ratio. When we do the problem, it will more clear. Okay, now let's do the first subheading, that is part relation. In the subheading part relation, we have to learn one concept, that is, if two quantities are in the ratio A:B, then there is a quantity x such that the first is AX and the second is BX. That means if we have length and breadth of a rectangle in the ratio 2:3. Suppose length and breadth of a rectangle are in the ratio 2:3, then there is another quantity x. Okay, another quantity x is there such that first one means length. So length will be equal to 2 into x. Okay, we will write like this. Length will be equal to 2x and breadth will be equal to, second quantity is 3, that is 3x. We will write like this. That is this concept. If two quantities in the ratio A:B, first one we will write as AX depending on the number. If it is to 2x. Second, if quantity number is 3, then we will write it as 3x. And one total will also be given in the question. Then by using that we can find the length and breadth. If we know the ratio and one more clue given in the question, we can find the length and breadth of that particular rectangle by using this concept. Let's check how to solve the problems from the first activity. Okay, so first activity, first question. Here is your question. In a regular polygon, the ratio of the inner and outer angle is 7:2. What is each angle? How many sides does the polygon have? Here in this question, a regular polygon's inner angle and outer angle ratio is given. So let's write inner and outer angle. Okay, inner angle is to, ratio means it is to outer angle. Okay, this ratio is already given. What is that ratio? It is 7:2. Only ratio is given. We have to find what? We have to find inner angle is what and outer angle is what. That is we need to find here. So according to our rule, what will be inner angle in terms of x? Inner angle will be equal to, it is 7 here, so 7x, like this we will write. Next is outer angle. So outer angle will be equal to what? Next is 2. So 2 x. So in terms of x, inner angle will be equal to 7x and outer angle will be equal to 2x. Now to find this, we know that inner and outer angle sum. Okay, inner angle and outer angle sum is what? It is 180 degree according to the linear pair. Okay, suppose this is a regular part of regular polygon. This is outer angle. Suppose this is inner angle. Sum of these two is what? 180 degree. That we have already learned in Polygon chapter. So we know that sum of inner angle and outer angle, that we know what is that? It is 180 degree. At least one clue we need. It is not given, but it is obvious. We know that. That's why they are not giving that 180 degree. Now sum means we need to add these two. So 7x plus 2x equal to 180 degree. So 7x plus 2x is what? 7 plus 2, 9. So 9x equal to 180 degree. Now from this we need to find x. So 180 here into 9, come to this side, it will be divided by 9. So 180 by 9, it is 20 degree, because 9 only one time, in 18 2 times, with 1 0. So x is 20 degree. We got x as 20 degree. Now to find inner angle, we need to substitute this value of 20 degree here. Then only we will get the angle. This is in terms of algebra. If we want to find the exact measurement, we need to apply the value of x here. So put 20 equal to here. That is inner angle equal to 7x equal to 7 into 20. So 7 into 20 is what? 7 2s are 14. So 140 degree. 140 degree is what? Inner angle. Now outer angle is 2x. That is 2 into 20. That is equal to 40 degree. So we got both the angle from the ratio. Now one more question is there. What is the number of side of this polygon? Number of sides. We know one outer angle 40 degrees. So regular polygon means it is what? All the angles and all the sides are equal. So number of sides. Okay. So number of sides equation already we know. Let's consider sum of outer angle, because one outer angle already here. So sum of outer divided by one outer angle. This is the equation we already learned in Polygon chapter. Sum of outer angle we know it is 360 degree divided by one outer angle is 40. So 0 0 cancel. In 4 only 1 4. In 36 9 4s are there. 9 4s are 36. So number of side is 9. It is a 9-sided regular polygon, and the inner angle and outer angle in the ratio 7:2. It doesn't means that angle is 7 degree and second angle is 2 degree. This is a ratio. From this ratio we can find the angles. Okay, so this is first one answer. Now let's do second one. The number of girls and boys in a class are in the ratio 7:5, and there are 8 more girls than boys. How many girls and boys are there in this class? In the question it is given that the number of girls and boys in a class are in the ratio 7:5. Okay, girls and boys. So you have to write girls is to boys. If it is boys and girls, you have to write it as boys is to girls. So here it is girls is to boys. The ratio is 7:5. And first of all, we have to find the number of girls and number of boys in algebraic form. So number of girls will be what? 7 here. That is 7x. Now number of boys is 5. So here it is 5x. Now it is given that there are 8 more girls than boys. That is the clue given to find the number of girls and number of boys. 8 more girls than boys means when we subtract the number of girls and number of boys, we will get the answer 8. Okay, when we subtract number of girls minus number of boys, we will get the answer 8, because girls number is 8 more. So number of girls minus number of boys equal to 8, because girls number is 8 more. 8 more means here number of girls plus 8 comes. Number of boys equal to number of girls plus 8. So number of girls minus number of boys is 8. Now let's write number of girls is what? It is 7x. So 7x minus number of boys is 5x. Answer is 8. Difference of this will be 8, because 8 girls more here. Now 7x minus 5x is 2x. So 2x equal to 8. From this, x is equal to into 2, come to this side, it is by 2. So 8 by 2 equal to 4. Okay, so here x is 4. So number of girls will be what? 7 into 4. 7 fours are 28. Next is number of boys is 5x. So 5 into 4, that is 20. Now check here. Number of girls is 28. Number of boys is 20. 8 more girls is there. Okay, compared to number of boys. 8 boys more is number of girls. Boys 20. 20 plus 8 is 28. Okay. So this is the answer for second question. Now let's do the third one.
Next question number 3. Blue and yellow paints are mixed in the ratio 2:5 to make a new color. 6 liters more of yellow than blue is taken. How many liters of each is mixed?
Third question, it is given that to make a new color, blue paint and yellow paint are mixing in the ratio 2:5. So blue paint is to yellow paint ratio is 2:5. So first write blue paint quantity. Okay, so here blue paint equal to 2x. Then yellow. So yellow paint equal to 5x. Now it is given that 6 liter more of yellow is there. Okay, yellow is 6 liter more than blue. So yellow is 6 liter more means yellow minus blue will be 6. Okay, yellow minus blue paint will be 6 liter. That is the answer because yellow color is 6 liter more than blue. Now let's apply the value. Here yellow is 5x. So 5x minus blue is 2x. So 5x minus 2x equal to 6. Difference is 3x. 3x equal to 6. Now keep x here. Take this into 3 to this side. So it will be 6 by 3. That is 2. So x value is 2. Now to find the quantity of blue paint, apply x equal to 2 here. So 2 into 2. Answer is 4 liter. Next yellow paint is 5x, that is 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. Now check here. 4 is the blue paint. 4 plus 6 is what? 10. Okay, blue color plus 6 is 10. Yellow is 6 liter more than blue. That's why yellow minus blue we got here 6 as the answer. So here 4 and 10 is the answer. So this is third one. Now let's do the next subheading. Next subheading is changing relations. Here no more explanations to do to give. Let's do problems directly, then only it will be understand. Okay, changing relation means some quantity will be increased. If some quantity will be decreased, then what is the change happen in that quantity? Okay, that we are going to learn in this section. So let's do from the second activity. First question. Here is your first question.
Acid and water are mixed in the ratio 4:3 to make a liquid. On adding 10 more liters of acid, the ratio changes to 3:1. How many liters of acid and water does the liquid contain now?
In this question, acid and water ratio is given. To make a new liquid, acid and water are mixing in the ratio. Okay, acid and water ratio already given, that is 4:3. Okay, four part of that quantity is added into that liquid, and then 3 part of water is also added into that liquid to create a particular liquid. So acid is to water is 4:3 given. So first let's write quantity of acid. Okay, acid, volume of acid. Volume of acid equal to what? It is 4x. Now next is volume of water. Volume of water will be what? It is 3x. Now here it is given that after adding 10 liter of acid into this particular quantity of liquid, if we are adding 10 more liter of acid, already 4x liter of acid is there. If we are adding 10 more liter of acid, the new ratio is 3:1. Okay, new ratio 3:1 is given. Now what will be the volume of original acid and original water, and present acid, that also volume of present acid, that also we need to find. So here after adding, okay, after adding 10 liter of acid. We are going to add 10 liter of acid. The volume of acid will change. How to change? Already 4x is there. We are adding 10 more liters. So 4x plus 10. Okay, 4x plus 10 is the present volume of acid. Now new ratio is 3 is to 1. Okay, new ratio already given, that is 3 is to 1. So new ratio means it is what? New acid ratio. Okay, because acid quantity changes. So new acid is to, there is no change in water. So we can write it as water itself. New acid is to water equal to 3 is to 1. Like this we will get. Now what is new quantity of acid here? It is 4x plus 10. So 4x plus 10 is to water quantity, there is no change, that is 3x. So 4x plus 10 is to 3x equal to 3 is to 1. Now here we can write A is to B as A by B. Okay, ratio we can write as a fraction like this. A is to B equal to A by B. Similarly, 3 is to 2 means it is 3 by 2. Like this we can write. So by using this, we can write 4x plus 10 is to 3x, like how? We can write like this as 4x plus 10 by 3x. Okay, first quantity is to second quantity. So first by second. Similarly, 3 is to 1 we can write as 3 by 1. Okay, now let's cross multiply. That means take this 1 to this side and 3x to this side. So 1 into 4x plus 10 is the same. 4x plus 10 equal to 3x into 3. So 3 into 3x. What will be the answer? 4x plus 10 equal to 3 3s are 9, 9x. Now take this 4x to this side. So here remaining answer is 10. 10 equal to 9x here. Plus 4x come to this side, it will be minus 4x. So 10 equal to 9x minus 4x. 9 minus 4 is 5. So 5x. Now to find x value, keep x here and take this 5 to this side. So 10 by 5, because into 5 here, come to this side, it is by 5. So 10 by 5 equal to x. That is x is equal to 10 by 5 is 2. So we got x equal to as what? X equal to 2 we got. That means the volume of original acid. The volume of original acid will be what? 4 into 2. That is 8. Now volume of original water is what? 3 into 2. 6 liter. Now after adding 10 liter means already 8 liter were there in that quantity volume of acid. After adding 10 more liter, answer will be what? 18 liter. Okay, so this is first one answer. According to the change, we need to change the ratio. Okay, now let's do the second one.
Next question, two angles are in the ratio 1 is to 2 on increasing the smaller angle by 6 degree and decreasing the larger angle by 6 degree, the ratio changed to 2 is to 3. What were the original angles?
Second question, two angles are in the ratio 1 is to 2. So two angle means a small angle will be there, one large angle will be there. So we can write it as small angle is to large angle equal to 1 is to 2. Now from this, small angle will be what? Small angle is 1 into x, that is x itself. Now large angle is 2x. Okay, 2 into x, 2x. Now here in this question it is given that increasing small angle by 6 degree. Okay, increasing small angle by 6 degree. We are adding 6 degree to the small angle. Then what will be the angle? Already x is the original angle. After adding 6 more degree, what will be the answer? X plus 6 degree. Now decreasing large angle by 6 degree. Okay, same. Decreasing large angle. Okay, same by 6 degree. That means decreasing means minus. Already 2x is there. We are decreasing large angle means it is 2x minus 6. If we are doing so, the new ratio, okay, the new ratio is what? It is given that new ratio equal to 2 is to 3. Already we have one ratio, that is 1 is to 2 for x and 2x. Okay, Now after changing that small angle and large angle by increasing 6 degree and by decreasing 6 degree, we got a new ratio 2:3. Then what will be the original angles? That is the question. So new ratio 2:3 is for which angles? These two, x plus 6 and 2x minus 6. These are the change happens here. So we have to write it as x plus 6, small angle, new small angle is x plus 6 is to new large angle is 2x minus 6. That new ratio is 2:3. Now like the previous case, we have to write this as fraction. That is x plus 6 by 2x minus 6 equal to 2:3 means 2 by 3. Now this 3 into x plus 6 and this 2 into 2x minus 6. So 3 into x plus 6 equal to 2 into 2 to this, that is 2x minus 6. Now let's open the bracket. 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into 6. Okay, like this, 3 into 6. 6 3s are 18 equal to 2 into 2x, that is 4x. Here it is minus 2 into 6 is 12. Now take this 3x to this side and minus 12 to this side. All the x values must be in one side. So here remaining value is 8. Minus 12 come to this side, it is plus 12. Equal to, here remaining value is 4x plus 3x come to this side is minus 3x. So 18 plus 12, that is 30. So 30 equal to 4x minus 3x is 4 minus 3 1. So x. So x equal to 30 degree. We got the basic quantity x as 30 degree. So small angle will be what? Small angle will be 30. This you have to write separately. Okay, no space here. That's why I'm writing here itself. So small angle equal to x, that is 30 degree. Large angle will be what? 2 into x, that is 2 into 30, 60 degree. Okay, so small angle 30 degree and large angle is 60 degree. So this is second one answer.
Next question. Two quantities are in the ratio 3:5. If the smaller alone is made 4 times the original, what would be the ratio? Second sub question. If the smaller is doubled and the larger is half, what would be the ratio be?
Now here in this fourth question, we have two quantities are in the ratio 3:5. Okay, two quantities. We don't know which all are the two quantities. Anyway, one is smaller quantity and next is larger quantity. Okay, so first let's write smaller quantity according to that ratio. Smaller quantity equal to 3x and larger quantity equal to 5x. Now in the first sub question is, if this smaller quantity alone is made 4 times the original. Okay, 4 times. Original is 3x. Suppose we are taking its 4 times. So 4 times smaller. Okay, 4 times smaller quantity means smaller quantity, already 3x is there. If we are taking 4 times means it is 4 into 3x. So quantity will be what? 4 into 3x is 12x. And the larger quantity we are not changing, 5x itself. Only smaller quantity we change and we took it as 4 times original. So 12x we got. Then question is, what will be the new ratio? Okay, that is a question. New ratio will be what? So new ratio will be means change comes in smaller angle. So smaller quantity. So new smaller quantity is to larger quantity, there is no change. So this will be the ratio. Now new smaller quantity is what? It is 12x. So 12x is to larger quantity is the same, that is 5x. Now what we can write here as ratio, how we can write? Cutting the x, we will get 12:5 is the new ratio. Okay, if you are taking 4 times a smaller quantity, the change only comes here. So that changes to 4 3s are 12. So 12:5 is the new ratio. Now second sub question is, if we are changing smaller quantity as double. Okay, smaller quantity we are taking double of the smaller quantity. Okay, double, smaller quantity is double the smaller quantity, and larger quantity we are taking its half. Already 5x is there. Suppose we are taking half of the larger quantity. So new ratio we need to find. So let's consider as double the smaller is to half of the larger. Okay, half of larger, then what will be the ratio? So if we are taking smaller quantity as double, already 3x is there. So double means it will be what? 2 into 3x is 2. Half of the larger means original is 5x. If it is half means 5x by 2. Now how we will write this in ratio? We can cancel this x. So 2 into 3, 6 is to 5 by 2. So 6 is to 5 by 2 will be the new ratio. Okay, so this is fourth one answer. According to the change, you have to change the ratio. Okay, this one double means 3 twos are 6. Larger one half means 5 by 2. Okay, without writing this, you can directly write the answer. So this is fourth one answer. Now let's do fifth one.
Question number 5. The capacities of two bottles are in the ratio 3:4. The smaller bottle was filled twice and the larger bottle was filled once and emptied into a vessel. Twice the smaller and half the larger was emptied into another. What is the ratio of the quantities of water in the two vessels?
This fifth one, it is given that the capacities of two bottles, one small bottle and one large bottle, capacities are in the ratio 3:4. So small bottle capacity is 3x and large bottle capacity is 4x. Now it is given that in to the first vessel, two vessels here, to the first vessel we are putting twice the small bottle. Okay, this is small bottle we are filling twice. Okay, we are going to fill the small bottle twice and the larger bottle once. Okay, one small bottle and one large bottle. We are filling this small bottle twice and this large bottle once, and we are going to empty these two in one large vessel. Okay, so what will be the volume in that we need to find. Similarly, we have to find the volume of second vessel. Then we need to write the ratio. So in the first vessel, small bottle is twice. Okay, twice small bottle. So already quantity is what? 3x is the quantity. So if we are filling that twice means it is 2 into 3x. Okay, total 3x. Suppose 2 liter is the quantity. Filling twice means how much we will get? Total 4 liter we will get. Like this, it is 2 into 3x. That answer is what? It is 3 2s are 6, 6x liter. Now large bottle. Okay, large bottle only once. Large bottle once. So large bottle quantity is 4x. Okay, only once means 4x into 1, that is 4x itself. So total volume will be what? Total volume will be equal to total quantity in that large vessel will be 6x plus 4x. Okay, so total is 6 plus 4, 10x. 10x liter is there in the first vessel. Similarly, in the second vessel, first we are going to take twice the smaller. Okay, that is the same, twice smaller. So quantity will be 6x, that is 2 into 3x is same, 6x. Now half the larger bottle we will fill only half. We are not going to complete the large one, only we are taking half. So half the larger means already 4x is the larger. It's a half means 4x by 2, that is 2x. So here total volume will be what? Total volume will be 6x plus 2x. 6 plus 2, 8. 8x. So 8x is the total volume in the second vessel. Now we have to write the ratio. Ratio of quantity. Okay, ratio of quantities of water in these two vessels. So ratio means first vessel volume. Okay, first vessel quantity is to second vessel quantity. First vessel quantity is what? It is 10x. So 10x is to second vessel quantity is 8x. Cancelling x, we will get the ratio as 10 is to 8. Okay, so this is the ratio of first vessel quantity and second vessel quantity. So this is fifth one answer. Now let's stop here. Let's continue the problem in the next video. So hope you understand. Thank you. See you in the next video.